Hi there, thanks for clicking and welcome to today's short lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to show and hide ribbon in Excel. Before get started, if you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. I'll talk to you there. You can see ribbon takes up too much space at the top of your worksheet, especially on a small screen. However, Excel has the option to get rid of it. Now, let me show how to do it. You can minimize or hide and show the ribbon in different ways. Let's move on to the fast way. The fastest way to show and hide Excel ribbon is to press Ctrl plus F1. Just press Ctrl plus F1 from keyboard to hide. In this way, you can hide only groups and commands. Tabs are visible. Again, press Ctrl plus F1 to show it. Now let me show the second way. The ribbon can also be minimized or collapsed by double clicking an active tab. If I double click this active tab, home, you can see it has been minimized. To show it again, if I single click, then you can see the group and command. Okay, but if I click on any cell here, then the ribbon will be collapsed automatically. You can see that. So to get the ribbon back permanently, what I need to do is just double click any tab. If I click here, you can see the ribbon is not being collapsed automatically. Another quick way to hide the ribbon in Excel is to click the up arrow in the lower right corner. Just here, collapse the ribbon. You can also press Ctrl F1. If I click this, the ribbon will be collapsed. Now let me get the ribbon back. Just double click it. Okay. Let's focus on way number 4. Right click anywhere on the ribbon. Anywhere on the ribbon. Just right click from your mouse. Then click this. Collapse the ribbon. This option from this contextual menu. If I click this, the ribbon will be collapsed. To get the ribbon back, just double click on any tab. You can also hide and show ribbon from this ribbon display options. Click this ribbon display option here at the top right corner and choose show tabs. Okay, that will hide all the groups and commands. Again, if you click auto hide ribbon, this will totally hide the ribbon. Okay, now to get the ribbon back permanently, click the ribbon display option and click this option here, show tabs and commands. This will show the ribbon in the default full view with all the tabs and commands. So these are the different ways through which you can hide and show ribbon in Excel. I hope you have discovered some tricks in this tutorial. So subscribe my channel if you have enjoyed this lesson, and thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.